It's time to rewrite the rules. The old playbook is dead. Forget about showing up every day, putting in the work, building an audience. In the world of AI, the game has changed and so can you. But here's the secret that nobody's talking about. You don't need a following. You don't need experience. What you need is a blueprint, a proven, step-by-step plan to tap into the AI gold rush. And today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share with you my personal AI workflow, the exact method that generated over 6 figures in less than 60 days. If you stick around till the end, I'll also share some exclusive bonuses, early access to new tools, case studies, and my private community. This is your chance to stay ahead of the curve. This is the only video you need to see. Let me show you how to turn AI ebooks into a $5,000 per month business in 7 simple steps. So first, let's get clear on something. An ebook isn't just a product, it's a business. And with AI, you can create, market, and scale ebooks into an online empire without relying on Amazon KDP. Today, I am going to show you the expert blueprint to turn one AI-powered ebook into a profitable system that pays you over and over again. So here are 3 mind-blowing truths about selling ebooks. Number 1, ebooks don't sell because they're pretty. They sell because they solve a problem. Number 2, people aren't buying ebooks. They're buying solutions. And number 3, your ebook is a ticket to building a long-term asset that brings in passive income and positions you as an authority in your field. Now let's dive into my 7-step framework. Step number 1, lay the foundation. Start by identifying a niche audience. For example, think about busy moms, remote workers, college students, or side hustlers. Next, spot their pain points. Think about meal planning, productivity hacks, side income methods. And finally, use this formula to create a solution-packed ebook title. For example, 30-day meal prep guide. For busy moms or make money passively with innovative side hustles from home. Both of these target different audiences and pain points. So let me show you a real-life example. Imagine targeting busy moms. Their pain point could be meal planning. Your ebook solves that problem. Now visualize your ebook as a funnel. At the top, we have a broad audience. As we go down, we get more specific until we land on a focused target. This approach ensures you're creating content that resonates with a clearly defined audience. You don't have to stop there. Expand your reach by exploring similar niches. For instance, if you've created an ebook for busy moms, consider expanding to other demographics such as dads, nannies, or babysitters who may also face similar challenges. By diversifying your ebook offerings, you can tap into a wider audience and increase your potential revenue. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to validate your idea before diving in head first. Conduct thorough research using tools like Google Trends, Reddit, and Quora to confirm the demand for your chosen topic. For example, simply typing meal prep into Google Trends reveals the interest over time, geographic trends, and related searches. Similarly, browsing popular subreddits like Meal Prep Sunday or Eat2Perform can provide valuable insights into what people are looking for. And don't underestimate the power of good old Amazon searches. Type in your target keyword and explore the best sellers, reviews, and overall demand for books on that topic. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to creating a successful ebook that meets the needs of your audience and sets you up for success. Step 2. Unleash the power of AI research. When it comes to writing an ebook, research is paramount, but who has time for endless hours of reading and note-taking? Not you, because that's where AI comes to the rescue. First, log into a platform, then click on New Workspace. From there, choose Document, then type in ebook research and hit Enter. Now enter your niche keywords and let the magic happen. AI will analyze top blogs, forums, and YouTube scripts in your niche, providing you with a comprehensive summary of what's working, what's missing, and what your audience is looking for. For example, if your niche is productivity, AI can analyze popular blogs like The Muse or Fast Company and summarize tips and tricks that readers are looking for. It can also scour Reddit threads like Get It Done for common questions and pain points. Finally, AI can review high-performing YouTube videos in your niche to identify trends and gaps in the market. But that's not all. To save even more time, use the platform's library feature. Simply type your keywords into the search bar and explore existing documents generated by other users. If you find something helpful, click on Add to Workspace to save time and effort. Remember, thorough research is the key to creating an ebook that meets the needs of your audience and sets you up for success. Step 3. Draft with AI. Now that you've done your research, it's time to start drafting your ebook, and guess what? AI can help with that too. Head back to your workspace and click on New Document. Type ebook draft and hit enter. Here's the magic. Prompt the AI to generate a 10-12 chapter outline based on your research findings. Once you have your chapters, let AI write each section based on the outline. This will save you countless hours of writing time. For example, if your ebook is about productivity, you can prompt AI to generate chapters like Understanding Your Time, Optimizing Your Schedule, or Overcoming Procrastination. Then let AI write each chapter based on your outline. But remember, AI writing is just a starting point to create a truly engaging and unique ebook. Take these steps to refine the AI-generated content. First, add headers and subheaders to organize your content and make it easy to read. Next, break up the text with images, bullet points, and quotes. Finally, inject your personality and voice into the writing to connect with your readers on a deeper level. And here's a pro tip. Use the platform's tone and style feature to match your writing style. Just highlight the text, click on Change Style, select your preferred tone, and watch as AI adjusts the writing accordingly. Remember, with great AI tools comes great responsibility. Always double-check AI-generated content to ensure accuracy and reliability. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Step 4. Design and branding. Your ebook cover and overall design play a crucial role in attracting readers and setting you apart from the competition. If you're using a platform, you can leverage its AI design tools to create a stunning ebook. Simply click on Create Design and select Ebook Cover. Alternatively, use websites like Canva or Adobe Express to design your cover and layout. For example, if your ebook is about productivity, you can use design elements like calendars, clocks, and light bulbs to convey your message. But don't stop at the cover. Apply your branding consistently throughout the ebook to create a cohesive and professional look. Pro tip: use a branded color palette and font to reinforce your brand identity. Step 5. Name your expert. Now it is time to establish yourself as an authority in your field by creating a pen name that reflects your expertise and builds trust with your audience. Start by brainstorming a list of names that are memorable, easy to pronounce, and relevant to your niche. For example, if you're writing an ebook on productivity, consider names like Dr. Productivity or The Time Coach. But don't stop there. Check if the name is available as a domain and social handle. Once you've found the perfect name, use it consistently across all your marketing materials to build a strong brand presence. Step 6. Pricing strategy. Now that you have a great ebook and an established brand, it's time to figure out how much to charge. Consider your ebook's value, your target audience, and the competition when setting your price. For example, if your ebook is a comprehensive guide on a highly sought-after topic, you can charge a premium price. But don't just guess. Use data-driven methods like the competitive analysis pricing method to determine the best price point. Simply analyze your competitors' pricing and position yourself accordingly. You can also offer different pricing tiers to cater to various customer segments and increase your revenue potential. Step 7. Publish and promote. You've written, designed, and priced your ebook. Now it's time to publish and promote it to the world. Start by creating a website or landing page where you can showcase your ebook and collect customer information. You can use platforms like WordPress or Wix to create a professional-looking site. Next, use email marketing to promote your ebook to your target audience. Build an email list by offering a free resource related to your ebook topic. Then send a series of emails promoting your ebook and encouraging people to buy. But don't stop there. Leverage social media to create buzz around your ebook. Share valuable content related to your niche and promote your ebook to your followers. You can also run targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Finally, consider offering your ebook on online marketplaces like Gumroad or Payhip. These platforms make it easy to sell and distribute your ebook while taking a small commission on each sale. And there you have it, you've turned AI ebooks into a thriving business. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the ever-evolving world of AI.